Hello YouTube, Sunday the 6th of June 2021, and I've been sitting thinking about how and when I'm going to do a video kind of reviewing kind of the progress that the company's made since it started in 2019. Maybe if I can find the old clips, have a little flashback to some of the first things I ever recorded. Something else I'd like to start doing is doing some more chainsaw reviews. I know there's a lot of people who do those kind of videos, but hey, I'll just add my voice to everyone else's and hope I have something worth saying.
As I'm fiddling around in the shed today, I'll use the time to talk about the Stihl 194 as I run through some maintenance and share a couple of tips. The first tip being that Tipp-Ex is a great way to mark where you start filing. I was using a Sharpie before, but Tipp-Ex shows up way better. Anyway, the technical info. 1.4 kilowatts of power, 3.3 kilograms in weight, 31 cc and 496 pounds. When comparing to the Baby Echo, which has 1.1 kilowatts of power, 2.3 kilograms of weight, 25 cc and is 495 pounds. I use the 194 all the time now, and I've moved away from the Echo 2511 for one reason: reliability. Wet, heat, dirty or damp air filters make the Echo run badly. It's a bit of a needy saw, and even if its apparent power to weight ratio is off the charts, it doesn't count for much if it complains about the rain. And looking at the prices, I found the 194 offers more power for your money. When comparing to the 201, the 201 has 1.8 kilowatts of power, 3.9 kilograms, 35.2 cc engine, and costs £581. To sum up the 201, the underachieving child of the mighty 200's legacy. The 201 comes with too much chain and not enough torque. It cuts better when the chain and sprocket are swapped for a quarter pitch chain that the 150 and 194 come with as standard, and the extra engine size and power doesn't offset the weight and the price tag. Someone says, I want a 201. I say, why? But when I think about it, I haven't heard anyone saying I want a 201. People buy them because of their name and their acceptable performance. But they're not the best. Yes, they cut. Yes, they're nicely balanced. And yes, they're expensive and underwhelming. And I own one. Why? The big question is the 194 a pointless middle ground between the 150 and 201? No. It's the best of the three, and in my opinion, the most climbing saw for your money. I have to mention the old MS200 as I've already mentioned their legacy. Most 200s are showing their age now. Maybe they were great in their time, but that time is passing. And I don't like a saw that stops as soon as you let off the throttle and spends more time in the repair shop than cutting trees, and costs me more than it earns.
Helps to put fuel in them, doesn't it?